Yes, guys, thank you very much for watching. Alright, guys, we all love beauty, darling. We all love beauty, darling. Except for that girl over there, darling. I love beauty. What are you talking about, darling? Oh, we all love beauty, man. Yes, guys, totally. No, guys, I know that a lot of people that are beautiful will do like videos where they stitch a video and talk negatively about someone, right? And I mean, obviously if the person's like a horrible person, then yes, you can talk negatively about them, but I mean, if they're just living their best lives and trying to be, have something to say, I mean, we all have this platform so that we can be who we want to be, right? And everybody should be able to do that, right? Some people might not be viewed as much, some people might not have, one second guys, some people might not have as much success, but, to stitch a video and say something super rude about someone, just because of the way they look or how they identify, I mean, that's not cool, right? I mean, yes, some people, I mean, they do very well. That's the crazy thing, right? Like, these people do very well sometimes. Like, I saw this one video where the girl's trans, and don't get me wrong, she seems like a really sweet person, and she's really pretty. She has her makeup done properly. She looks really feminine. She passes as a woman, and that's great. There's nothing wrong with that. And if you want your content to be that, I mean, I understand everybody has content ideas, and that's your content idea. I mean, I'm sure she doesn't see a problem with it because, and maybe it's not, I'm not going to decide for her what she should do, but, she can do whatever she wants, right? And that's what she wants to do, and if people are liking the video, then, I mean, who's to say it's wrong? Well, personally for me, I think there's good ways and bad ways to get fame, right? I think if you're trying to be famous and you're insulting people and telling them they're not feminine enough in so many words, I mean, this girl, like this guy is on, like it was a transgendered person that was discussing how he wants to be called a woman and he wants to be this and that, or she wants to be a woman, whatever, and she identifies as a woman, and there's nothing wrong with that, right? I think if you say that, you're allowed, right? And unless you're like a mean person, or you're like a convict and you're trying to use it to get into a woman's bathroom, you know what I mean? But most of the time that doesn't happen, I would think, right? And there are people that do stuff like that, obviously, right? But it's rare, right? But in general, and it's I mean, you have to be careful because it happens enough, but it is rare, right? So, but, and the thing is, like she was talking about how, one person came on, like she was talking about one person, and I'm not sure what her handle name is, otherwise I'd say it. Sorry guys, I should say it, because I'll try to, next time I see somebody and I talk about their TikTok videos, I'll mention their handle name, okay? Because I should definitely look it up. And she might look up to me, like I'm very good looking. But I think one video she was just talking about how this one guy with a beard that identifies as transgender, so I'm assuming she's a she, the person that was transgender with the beard was saying, why does everybody call me Mr.? Why does everybody call me man, right? And she was saying, well, why not? You look like a man because you have a beard, and not, you can tell he's trying to be feminine, but to a lot of people he would still be considered a man. There's gay men, or bi men, or even straight men that dress really feminine and wear women looks or women earrings or whatever and do all this stuff, and they're still straight, gay, and not necessarily trans, right? So, or bi or whatever. Anybody could try to be feminine, right? And you would just assume, well, they're still a man. But, I mean, the thing is, some people might assume she's trans and say she's trans or a woman, and some people might assume she's a man, he's a man, and say man terms, right, to describe him. But in general, what she was saying, and this is a good video, she was saying, And like, you know, to her, the person with the beard was like wanting to identify something and felt like everybody should call her that, right? A she, right? And so she's saying, you know, which is nothing wrong to say this, but she was saying most people would assume he's a man and he would be called manly terms because he's a man, right? So there's nothing wrong with saying that. But I think, you know, when you delve into, you know, somebody looking, like the other person she talked about looks very masculine, has a double chin, like a big pronounced double chin, you know, and I mean, you know, I didn't fully see the video. Maybe she wasn't saying, maybe she didn't call him names or whatever, but I find a lot of people stitch videos like that, right, where they put the person that's like totally not feminine and they describe, you know, situations about whatever. And I mean, you know, I think she was kind of saying, I'm not sure if I was reading it properly, but or watching it properly, but she was kind of saying like, how is this person allowed to move his watches? Well, how we identify is not based on how we look, right? It's how we identify, right? And yes, I understand some people might be, and some people are criminals, right? So obviously it's up to women who they want in the washroom. But I mean, you know, I just think, you know, if this poor person identifies as trans and they just happen to look very, very gruffed up and rough around the edges, who's to say that's wrong, right? If they really identify as being trans. But yes, I mean, I can understand like a woman going in the washroom being startled or whatever, but I mean, if they truly do identify as being trans, then, you know, that's what they identify as, right? So, I mean, and I think we all know there's a difference between someone that doesn't judge at all and someone that's like, get out of the woman's washroom now, right? You know what I mean? So, I mean, you know, and if this person is genuinely trans, they should be allowed to go into the washroom, right? Because they're identified as that, right? But, you know, I think, you know, like I said, there's some people that don't judge anyone. They would treat anybody well, right? I'm one of those people, but there's some people that judge immediately at even the slightest flaw or the slightest thing, right? Anyway, thank you for watching. Totally enjoyed the show, guys, alright? Now, guys, we all have our judgments, right? Naturally. So yes, you know, I can see people judging instantly, but you know, you have to recognize that people are coming from different backgrounds, and being someone that's less physically appealing and can be extremely less physically appealing is not easy for a person, right? So to recognize that if you are physically appealing, or whether you are or not, to recognize that it's a privilege, right? But not everybody wants to see it that way, and that's totally fine, right? But you know what I mean, guys, right? Anyway, I just think, you know, and there's nothing wrong with somebody really liking how they look and really liking who they are, and even feeling entitled based on that or whatever. Maybe they're a celebrity, but in order to really, you know, try not to judge. I mean, it's hard sometimes for people, but try not to judge somebody that's not like as aesthetically pleasing as yourself, right? Because, and you guys, if you do whatever you want, right? Within, you know, I want you guys to do whatever you want, but I mean, you know, recognize that person probably gets insulted on the daily. They have a hard time, and it's not easy, right? So instead of being like all harsh about it, you know, just recognize that they're going through a tough time probably, right? So, and you have the privilege of being beautiful, right? So the least you can do is not judge. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but you know, if you're judging unnecessarily, right? Anyway, bye guys, au revoir.